Are you annoyed but you cannot play your favorite video games, like Fortnite, on your school Chromebook after spending a whole day doing your homework and feeling very tired, and all you want to do is just trying to relax? If your answer is yes, then don't worry. I got the right trick for you. Wolfboy here. Today I'll be showing you how to play Fortnite on a school Chromebook. It is perfectly safe and requires no downloading. And don't worry about how slow your Chromebook is, because it is using something called cloud gaming, which means your game will be running on another PC and stream it to you, which is your Chromebook. But before I get started, make sure to subscribe, and you can check out some of my other videos on how to unblock Discord by clicking on the card on the top right corner of the video. Also, I just reached 75 subscribers and 12,500 views. Thank you for your support, and a special thank you to Navani Binya. Make sure to check out his channel. The link is down below in the description. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. If you wanna play Fortnite, all you have to do is search GeForce Now. GeForce Now. It should be the first one. Your games, your devices, play anywhere. NVIDIA GeForce Now. By the way, if the website is blocked, you can check out my other video on how to unblock websites by clicking on the card on the top right corner of the video. Now, click on the website, and you can see all of these options right here. Click on Membership. Now, create a free account. Click on Join. After that, you will see this page pop up. Now, all you have to do is go back and then click on Download. And you can see all of these options right here. Find Chrome browser. Click on Launch. After that, you will see this page pop up. Now, search Fortnite. But before you click on play, make sure you have an Epic Game account that owns Fortnite and it is ready to go. If you don't, make sure to create one. But if you do, click on play. After it loads up, sign in with your Epic Game account. Now, you can play Fortnite, as you can see right here. Thank you for watching. This will be it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you like this video. And I will see you guys next time.